So today we'll be discussing about the cognitive behavior therapy and the nicotine replacement therapy, which one is more efficient in the topic about teens trying to quit smoking. So according to the PICO elements, our population is teens. Our intervention will be the therapy by cognitive behavior therapy or nicotine replacement. The comparison will be finding which one is more efficient, and the outcome will be quitting smoking. So first of all, we're gonna use Medline as our database to search for this topic. We're gonna start by searching the mesh for the quit smoking. So we're gonna choose smoking cessation because it means stopping smoking. We're gonna also be using smoking reduction and tobacco use cessation, given that they all have the same meaning, which is stopping or reducing the amount of smoking. Our next mesh we're gonna look for is the cognitive behavior therapy. Okay. So we're not gonna explode here. We're just gonna stick with cognitive behavior therapy. And we're not gonna choose any subheadings because it's only therapeutic, the subheading we're looking for, the outcome.
Our following mesh will be regarding nicotine replacement therapy. So we'll go ahead and type it in the search. So as we see here, we did not get an exact mesh, but we can search for definitions. So nicotinic agonists seem relatable. I'm gonna go ahead and look at the scope.
Search for the wrong one.
Oh. We figured out that this is not the appropriate mesh, so we go back.
We're gonna choose nicotine agonist because since we're replacing the nicotine, we're gonna use its agonist.
Yes. So nicotinic agonist. We go ahead and continue. None of these subheadings seems to be relatable, so we'll go ahead and press continue. Okay. Now we'll go ahead and combine all three with AND. Okay, now we'll apply limits. Additional limits. Now, as my colleague mentioned, the population is teenagers, so we'll go ahead and select adults.
Given that teenagers are
Are
people under 18 years old.
Yes. We want to maximize sensitivity of our research. And hopefully we get good results. we got 5 results, which is a pretty good search. So we know that our search was relatable to the clinical study that was given.